What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another review. This time we are going to be looking at this lens set that I just got in for your smartphone. This is from the company Godefa. Let's check it out. So as I mentioned, the company Godefa, I'm going to leave a link below so you can check these out on your own. But they have made this nice little lens set, and this is specifically made for your cell phone. Right here in my hand, I have my Galaxy Note 8. I'm going to be using this in the demonstration. But first, let's go over some of the things that you are going to actually get in this setup. So the first lens you're going to get is a fisheye lens, and each lens comes with its own little cover. So I just have the covers off for easy access for right now. But this is a fisheye lens. You're going to get a kaleidoscope lens for those different features. You get a CPL that's going to filter your lights. And then you get a macro 15 times and a wide angle lens as well. And these actually come together because they can be unscrewed. It's hard to kind of do it. Needs to be in the holder, but I'll show you that in just a little bit. You get an anti-glare shutter right there. You get a light. Now this light is going to have several different brightnesses. Just tap it. It actually charges up with micro USB, which you are provided with in the kit. You get a Bluetooth remote right here for easy access. You get two separate clips to go over your phone. We'll show those in just a moment. You get a nice telephoto lens for zoom and magnification. And like I said, each one comes with its own little cover. You get a nice dust bag. You get a microfiber cloth, and you actually get a tripod that comes. It's a nice sturdy tripod. It's going to stand up. Phone holder. Loosen it up. Goes up. Place your phone in, take whatever picture you want. Now, what I really like about this phone holder is that it screws up rather than it lifts up with a spring mechanism. I'd rather be able to lift it on my own than try to force a phone in. You may hurt your phone, damage it in some kind of way. So just to do a quick demonstration of how this is going to work, you're going to basically just take one of these. Now, this one is specifically made for the telephoto lens. I'm going to turn the camera on just by double clicking. Got that. Now we got everything in focus right here. I'm going to drop this over the back so it just fits over the camera. Now you notice I have it right over the camera. You cannot see that clipped on the back. Lens is going to just screw right in there. So the bigger clip is for the actual telephoto lens. I'm going to make sure that we get that back on there correctly. There we go. So you can actually zoom in. Let's see. Well, it would need to be a long way away because you can see I got Ken over there in the corner, but he's still blurry. So it's not going to really be able to focus on him. It needs to be something that's a good piece away. Let's see. Okay, so I have some stuff over there on another counter. As you can see, it's picking it up. It's a little further away, so it's not having that hard of a time. But like I said, whatever you use with this actual telephoto lens is going to need to be a good piece away from you. It's made to zoom in quite a bit. Your subject needs to be far away for that one. But some of these other ones, let's check this out. I'm gonna just drop this on back, putting that on. For my subject, I'm not gonna use me. For my subject, I'm gonna probably use just one of my little characters over here. So fisheye. And like I said, all these just kind of screw onto the back. So I'm gonna screw that on. And notice we get that fisheye look in the camera right there. Let's do this. I'm gonna set this one down. And the kaleidoscope. Let's try that one. So we're just taking this, we're just screwing it on, and they just screw into that back part like that. And you notice the actual kaleidoscope view on the phone now. So it makes everything, gives it that little mirrored look, multi-object look. The other one is just a filter. It's going to filter out your light. It's not really going to work in the house that well. This one is one of the dopest lenses just because it has that actual macro on there. And if I could get this, there we go. So the one I'm going to take off is a wide angle. It's a zoom. We're not going to worry about that one too much. Everybody knows what zoom looks like, but I want you to check this out. If I can get it to focus right there, let's see. It actually picks up each ridge in my fingerprint, and I thought that was one of the dopest things I had seen. So this camera is basically gonna give you tons of zoom. So yeah, with this macro lens, you're gonna be able to just basically zoom in 15 times on your subject, so it picks up really fine things as dirt particles, fingerprints. If you're looking at clothing, the fabric, the grade of the fabric, it picks up all that stuff. So it's a pretty cool little kit that you can go pick up. I'm going to leave a link below so you can check this out for yourself. You can pick this up for about 25, 26 bucks, but I think it's really nice to have when you're going on vacation, when you're doing different school projects. You got tons of things and you don't have to rely on that camera so much, and you don't have to carry around a big bulky camera. You just change these lenses out, you get different effects. What more can you ask for? So go check them out. Hopefully this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.